Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, today I'm gonna play hoverboard today. Let's go and watch my hoverboard skills, guys. This one is basic skills, backwards and spinning. This one is up and down, up and down, up and down. This one is the easiest one to learn hoverboard. I call it duckling move. Quack, quack, quack. Oops. I call this a securing a bar. The cat, I call it the cat because it's like a cat playing around with its toy. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.